Hello guys, in this video, we will talk about Mighty Networks and School, and I will help you to decide which community platform is better in 2025. So let's start with Mighty Networks. It is a robust platform built for creators, educators, and brands to host online communities, courses, and memberships, all in one space. It includes mobile apps, customizable branding, and native course hosting. School, on the other hand, is a newer platform focused on simplicity and engagement. It merges community discussions, gamification, and course hosting into one minimalist interface. So let's compare both of them. Number one, user interface. School has a clean and intuitive user interface with a single feed and simple layout, while Mighty Networks offers more features, but it can feel cluttered for new users. Number two, community engagement. School includes a leaderboard and gamification to boost their engagement, while Mighty has customizable spaces, events, and live features, making it better for structured interactions. Number three, course delivery. Both of them support video courses, but Mighty Networks has more advanced tools for course creation, drip content, and progress tracking. Number 4, customization. Mighty Networks support full white labeling and your own domain, while School keeps things consistent across all communities, which limits deep customization. Number 5, pricing and value. Mighty offers scalable plans depending on the features that you need, while School has a flat rate with all features included, making it predictable and easier to budget. So, in summary, you can choose Mighty Networks for feature-rich community building, branding, and course hosting. And you can pick School if you want a simple, fast community setup with great user engagement. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.